Welcome back to the Double Diamond Railroad. Quick demo here, some repaired engines. I got my scale change couplers, and you have to take out the old one, disassemble the box, take out the thing, but it's real easy dropping with a peg. I got them in there and got it back together. Then I thought I did one end wrong, but I didn't. Had to bring another engine and compare. So I got it going, looks good. I need more of those couplers. I wish they'd sell them on the website, because I see some other ones wearing out already. I keep getting the newer versions, that helps out. So here we go. I'm going to bring up the repaired engine. I added into the consist. The BNSF. I think it's a ES44 DC or something. Or AC. One of those. Can't remember. Might be a C4. Looking at the roof of it, it looks like it could be an AH. Can't remember on this one, because the last ones I got were Katos. Not this scale trains. I bought this on a sale a couple years ago, or a year and a half ago. Totally different air sound. Let's see. It's a high-pitched one. It's dryers. Okay, here we go, running back in there. You have to be up on speed step 3 before the flanger kicks in. We'll keep him in the consist, and that way he'll get broken by dragging around with the other engines. Helps them out, speed up their break-in. Short of putting him on the loop track. Sorry about smacking the camera. A little bit jumpy. I'm chilly, and it's coffee time. Coming into the yard. Back off so we can see all three. Probably going to hit the service track. They're slow down there. Okay, good deal. Now we're going to do a quick operation over here. Be right back. Cleaned that, but he's still acting up a little bit. Probably on his wheels. He hasn't been running, like I said, for a year and a half. He's going to come pick up these cars, take them back. And that'll do. Right there. 3-step, throw the switch. It's the only place I don't have a holder for my controller. Here we go. Doppler phasing. May not be able to hear that on the camera. I can hear it. Okay, see, we got a couple here. 3-step, looking good, we got them. Let's take them ahead. These are all empties, heading back to Utica Terminal. And that'll do. 3-step, let's throw that switch. Actually, they can tone it, but the conductor will go down and check and make sure the points are clear. Okay, looking good. Shove them on back all the way. Keep running through here. We'll get this track cleaned off. The wheels cleaned off. Slow down through that diamond. We're going straight through, so it's not as bad. But I haven't used enough of these cards to know how it acts. Looking good. Come over here and see him stop. Barely catch him. Okay, they got shoved back. They got to go farther back. Let me get you a better position. Okay, bring them on back. We've still got an lead engine on the Diamond. Two cars. We can only go so far here. We'll try to get the brown one under the last loader. I went too far. Yeah, I would not want to be that far down. Okay, let's go back forward. Get close. That'll do. Good deal. That's where we need them. And we're clear back there in the back from the main line. Okay, shut them down. Tie it down, boys. Good job. Survive. And we're not too long. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have a great weekend. What's left of it. Take care. God bless. Double Diamond Railroad out.